Hello everyone. In this video today we are discuss about the technical analysis of pound USD, Euro USD, USD Swiss franc, USD yen and Aussie USD. So let's begin. My favorite pair is right now is pound USD. If you look at the pound USD right now, after the US CPI data release yesterday, the pound USD retested the 1.22500 psychological level and break below the 1.220 psychological level and moving towards the 1.20500 psychological level. So after the today's European session, we get the pound CPI data negative, which is 10.1%. So after this data release, the pound USD bearish momentum can continue. So if you want to engage this trade, you have to wait to break this trend line. If the pound USD break this trend line, so you engage this trade and your first target should be the 1.1900 psychological level and second target should be the 1.18500 psychological level. You can set your stop loss around 1.220 psychological number. So my second pair is Euro USD. So if you look at the Euro USD right now, after the US CPI data release, the Euro USD retested the 1.0800 psychological level and break below this number and moving towards the again 1.06500 psychological number. So if the Euro USD break the 1.06500 psychological number, then your first target should be the 1.0500 psychological number. You can set your stop loss around 1.07500 psychological number. So my third pair is USD Swiss franc. So if you look at the USD Swiss franc right now, the USD Swiss franc after the US CPI data release, it's break below this number 0.91920 psychological number and retested the 0.91500 psychological number. After retested this level, USD Swiss franc bounced back towards the 0.9280 psychological number. If the US dollar strength can continue, then it's break above this level and your first target should be the 0.93500 psychological number and second target should be the 0.9400 psychological number. So you have to look at the dollar index for the US dollar strength. So my fourth pair is USD yen. So if you look at the USD yen right now, the USD yen, as we discussed, break the 132.996 psychological number and moving towards the 134.00 psychological number. So if the USD yen break this number, then your third target should be the 135.00 psychological number. So my last pair is Aussie USD. If you look at the Aussie USD right now, Aussie USD after the US CPI data release retested around 0.70500 psychological number, then it's moving below towards the 0.69208 psychological number. So if you look at this trend line right now, after break this trend line, you can engage this trade and your first target should be the 0.68400 psychological number. If the Aussie USD break this level, then you can continue in this trade, and your second target should be the 0.67500 psychological number. You can set your stop loss around 0.69900 psychological number. So that's all. Thank you.